No, it's a heavy bike, yeah, I can tell you that for sure. All right. Oh. All right. What's going on is, you see, the rear absorber is leaking. It's been leaking about 3 months, 4 months. I just didn't bother because it's only like a drop, what you see right now. But you know what? I need a bike in September, and I have time now to fix it. So let's start taking things apart. All right. So we got some basic tools here. And I'm gonna remove the muffler and the rear wheel. Okay, put more light here so I can see what I'm doing. I have a crayon over there. Hello, say hi. We'll put a fan. No. Okay, bring more tools. Got my coffee, my iced coffee, water. Was a heat wave yesterday and the day before. For 10 days we have really high heat. Little bit better today, but still hot. This is a full-size Akrapovic. This is all titanium. And in the beginning, I got the bike with the muffler on. Yes, it's quite expensive. This is the racing style, and I think it was like over 2 grand. And you know, in the beginning, I didn't like the noise. The first month was like, what I have done, you know. I have to go back to stock. But then I got used to it and I like it a lot. I have another bike with noise. To go to my playlist. And I always put, you see here, the rubber and another rubber. So it creates a reduced vibration on the muffler so it won't get any damage. And I always use lug nuts, like this one, with a little Loctite. Okay. The Akrapo, let's put it on the side. You see, it's really hard. So you have to use a big wrench or you're not going to be able to do with a little one. But with this one, it's almost a piece of cake. Yes. Okay, we're getting there. Let's see what's going on inside here. You see, a little bit dirty from the leak. So I have done this before. If you want to go see my actual repair videos, okay. And so I kind of like remember what I've done, but I'm gonna come to this part later on, not today. Today we're gonna just remove the rear spring absorber. That's the original. That's an electronic. You see that? It takes control by the computer. And I have a couple of videos that how you can adjust it and everything. All right, but you can see the leak. All right, so let's go. That's a T30. Also, I'm gonna replace this bolt because I have read on the forum, yes, I have the part already, that this bolt actually have a couple of failures. So I'm not gonna take the risk, I'm gonna put a new one. That's in the next episode. put it in a small bag so we don't get damaged. Alright, good. Now, that's a T55 on the other side. I'm not going to take it off right now. Just going to lose it because it's much easier now. And I have to take out the caliper, the ABS lines and everything, okay? But we can now support a little bit the shock absorber like that. Put it exactly in the center. There. And support it just a little bit. I'm just going to lose right now the bolts and the nuts because I have to remove the fuses. There's a couple connectors here we have to remove. You can see it? Okay. There is a little clip. You have to be very careful. Push out the clip a little bit so you can remove them. Otherwise they will get damaged. So be very careful with this. You know, you gotta be puzzled with these things here. I think only the Germans know how they put them on. Anyway, these two are gone. All right. I think it moves. All right, it's moving. Good. Otherwise, you have to heat it up with a heat gun, air blower to about 50 to 55 Celsius, 60 Celsius, and use a laser gun to, you know, to measure the temperature. Otherwise, it's not going to come out. Okay, good thing I didn't remove the shock absorber because the guy he's going to repair it, he told me to put it on, start the bike, put it on comfort and on helmet 1. That's a setting. You're gonna see how I'm gonna do it in a minute. Alright, so I have to put back these plugs. That's the easy part. Alright, was already on one helmet and I just put it from sport to comfort. So this guy is one of the best in the world about doing, and I'm not kidding, about doing the springs. He gives a personal 2 years guarantee. Anything happened to it, to the spring absorber, and they come from around Europe to fix the spring absorbers to him. And because I know him a little bit, we support him, and he is like gonna be doing it tomorrow for me. He wanted to do it today, but I'm not getting tired. It's too hot, and I got some other work to do. All right, so I think we're getting ready to take it off. All right, let me take a break, think a little bit, and come back. The short one, it's on the top, and the long one on the bottom. The thing is loose. Oh, shit. Let's put it on the bench and clean it up a little bit. Check it out. Είμαστε εδώ στο Remoundos. Γεια σου Γιώργο.
Γεια σου Μαθώμα.
Θέλεις να πεις κάτι στα παιδιά που μου έφτιαξες τα αμορτισέρ?
Έχουν καλά ταξίδια όλοι τους.
Ναι.
Τίποτα αυτό.
Και εδώ αυτό πώς πήγε?
Έγινε ακριβώς ό,τι έπρεπε να γίνει.
Ναι.
Ακριβώς ό,τι έπρεπε να γίνει. Κάτσε να μην τα...
Με τις τσιμούκες που λέγαμε.
Όλα, κομπλέ, τα πάντα. Και τσιμούχες όχι εμπορίου.
Ναι.
Είναι ειδικές τσιμούχες, αυτές που πρέπει ακριβώς. Όχι αυτή και αυτή που κυκλοφοράει στο εμπόριο, γιατί δεν κάνουνε.
Ναι.
Εντάξει, είναι αυτή εδώ, την οποία είναι παραγγελία ειδική.
Από τη σκλήρινση μιλάμε τώρα, διαφορά.
Γενικώς το υλικό όλο. Γενικό.
Ωραία, ωραία.
Εντάξει.
Έγινε, σε ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ.
Δείγμα για να τις βλέπετε.
Να είσαι καλά. Σου έχουμε εμπιστοσύνη. Σε ευχαριστούμε πάρα πολύ και παίρνουμε και την εγγύηση 2 χρόνια που δίνει σε όλους.
Εγγύηση εννοείται, ναι.
Εντάξει. Και θα τα πούμε στα επανεδίνη.
Άνευ χιλιόμετρων.
Άνευ χιλιόμετρων.
Ναι.
Ωραίος. Ευχαριστούμε. We're here on the service guy and this is the machinery. Okay. Look what's going on here. Look at that. This is all CNC. And I'm very happy I have done this here. Okay, the short one is on the top, the long one is on the bottom. The bottom is right here. Okay, so let's get the new shock absorber. And this is the time you wish somebody, could help you. But we give it a try. It goes only one way. I have cleaned the plugs and everything, we're all good. So maybe I can just put temporarily the bottom one. Oh, I can see the top, it's coming in nicely. I'm just going to put the top. Alright. See that? We did it. And now I can take my time. As you can see, I have to bring this up a little bit, but that's another episode. If you want to see the rest of it, just go to my other playlist, the old one. Click the arrow on the top. But this is very easy right now. Okay, what you do is, of course, you torque this and the top to specifications. All right, I'm gonna put the torque volumes below so you can, find them easy. You put Loctite blue. Don't put red. It will be really pain. You know what, to take it off next time you want to service it or whatever you want to be doing. Okay, same thing. You put Loctite on the top and get torqued to the specifications volumes. All right, and this is it. We just have to put the little bolt here, and next time you see me with that, it will be a testing. And on my testing, I will tell you how it feels, because the guy told me you will think you have a brand new bike with that. And you know what? With the positive reviews this guy has, is like, I believe him. So it will be a whole new different experience. Of course, when I finish, I will calibrate. Again, go to the playlist to see how to calibrate the rear and the front spring absorbers. I have a video you do with a MOTO scan, or if you have a 911 instrument, okay? And that's it. The next episode it will be greasing this, putting the ABS, change the brakes, the brake parts. Is really easy. I'm waiting for parts right now. So if you want to keep following up, just subscribe and give us a like so people can find this video and can see it. Thanks guys. Thanks a lot.